So now I'm in the loft. So you look down to the great room below. That door off to the right is the master bedroom. That goes to the hallway to the front door. Here's a very large bedroom with a pretty window, palladium window. 2 windows, nice and bright. Big double closet here. And I think this is going to be storage, but yes. A walk-in attic, which is great. This is built by a builder called R.H. Holbert, and he does a really good job. I know we love our house. It's called the Madison floor plan. You have a big closet up here in the loft room. Here is another bedroom. It's a nice sized bedroom. Big closet. I don't know if you noticed that, big double closet. And the last bedroom, which is over the garage. That's why it's got this shape. But and then the upstairs bath, which is a very nice sized bath. I hope you can get a feel for this. Hello again. It has a little linen closet. And that's all of 512 Beechmere.